Hey, so I heard that many people have this annoying beeping message from the dashboard on a Honda Ridgeline about seatbelt, and to disable it, all you have to do is to use a pin like this and press it on the sides, not in the middle but on the sides, until you hear a click. So basically see a metal pin over there. Again, there you go. Whatever, just once, and you don't have to open anything here, unscrew anything, disable anything, just use the pin. And no more seatbelt symbol. So let's turn it on one more time. No beeping. There we go. Until you engage the seatbelt itself. There you go.